So we just got this bracelets. These bracelets are cute, right?
Yes.
Okay, so let's check it out and let's open it up. We have 20 pieces. So you see a whole bunch. It's gonna be a nice gift for friends, for who else?
Family?
Yeah, for family, for your classmates. If you guys are doing a party, this will be a good gift. Now, this is what it looks like. It's 10 inches long and you have different designs. So you have different designs on it. Like for example, this is a unicorn and this is a
dolphin.
So we have a dolphin. So you can see a dolphin right there. This is a unicorn right there. And it's so pretty. The colors are really pretty. And I'm going to show you how it looks on a hand. So you're loosen it up like this. And then you can put it on the child's wrist, and it fits really nicely, really elegantly. So at the bottom area you can just tighten it up like this. Once you tighten it up, you see how beautiful this looks. So it looks really pretty, absolutely gorgeous for any little girl. A lot of designs, you cannot get tired. Look at this turtle, and I absolutely love it. Do you love it?
Yes.
What is your favorite part about it?
That it has different designs.
Yeah, it's really gorgeous, and I think for us it's a what? A win-win. Yay, absolutely thumbs up.